For Christmas, I got an IKEA Milsbo, and I'm going to attempt to turn that into a greenhouse terrarium for my jewel orchids. First the top and the instructions. The instructions aren't all for me. I'm sensing no instructions. Oh, that's not a good sound. Ah, this is the top. It has the holes for the electric. I was told you can't actually see the holes in the previous shot. But look, here's the holes for electric. Let's see if the instructions are in here. Instructions. How to assemble. You guys going to sleep in there now? finger pretty glass. Oh, even harder now because I don't have any angles here. I'll hold it. There we go. Oh my god. That is too nerve-wracking. Well, need step ladder? So I have Barina lights, and this is an old Barina cord, and I am going to cut it so that it will fit through the pre-drilled holes that come in the Milsbo, because the 3-prong plug end is too large to go through the hole. I have threaded my makeshift connector through the hole provided by IKEA and attached some Burrino lights to the ceiling. And then for the lower levels right now, I am just resting the light on the glass. I know it won't hurt the glass, but we'll have to see if it's enough light. And I have one tray of jewel orchids now in here. And I have to put in hygrometer and thermometer to see how they do, but hopefully I will be filling up all these shelves. Okay, so here is my Milsbo after one day. I've gotten 2/3 of my jewel orchids in there. I still have one tray and my converted terrarium, but I'm not going to empty out my converted terrarium, but here's what it looks like right now. Unfortunately, I don't think there's quite enough humidity. You can see that if I have a dome, it stays nice and humid inside, but the clear glass suggests that it isn't quite humid enough. And I have a Govee in there, right there in the corner. And I think it's only about 40%. So, still a work in progress, but there we go.